I'm up here on Bristlecone Trail in Mount Charleston, early June, and the snow melt is pretty much in full force. This is a stream, small river that I have truly never seen up here in my 12 years of hiking on this mountain. Wow. Even though it's early June, I have a feeling I am going to encounter plenty of snow on the trail. I brought my micro spikes, and I'm hoping most of it has melted, but I have a feeling from what I'm seeing it's melting pretty fast. But on the north facing shady slopes, I think I'm going to be finding a lot of snow. Look at that. We have waterfalls. Wow. This is truly spectacular. And here's an amazing, wonderful ponderosa to greet me this morning. Yeah, from what I see, I'm going to be slogging through snow. Alright, folks, this is actually the trail. Yeah. This will be fun because this river of snowmelt is actually my trail. Oh my goodness, this is going to be exciting to say the least. And I'm so happy I'm up here, but I can see a lot of snow up there. Wow. Well, let's see how far I can go today. And to think that I thought I was going to get to Bonanza. Ha! What a joke. Alright, so I've had to do numerous stream crossings on Bristlecone Trail in Mount Charleston. Wow, to say that I'm blown away is a complete craziness. This is complete craziness. I never thought I'd see waterfalls on Bristlecone Trail. Wow. Let's see if I can get across this without getting my feet completely wet. Holy cannoli. Wow. So most of this snow melt is coming from Lee Peak and the ski resort, and I'm so happy to have been here at a perfect time to witness this Huge snow melt. I'm sure within a week this will be gone, if not less. This is a lot of snow melt. All right, on up the trail we go. And all of this is also a creek. Well, here we go. Let's see how much snow we're going to encounter. Well, I'm definitely the first person up on the mountain today. This beautiful Pondo. There have been a couple of mounds of snow across the trail. Not too bad. Haven't had to put on my micro spikes yet. There are patches of snow. I'm hoping not to encounter too much more because the downslope here is pretty steep and that would hurt if I went down. I was hoping to see some of the wild horses up here today. Looks like the snow line is creeping up to, oh, I think I spoke too soon. Here we go. That's not too bad. But this early in the morning, it's frozen ice, which is a lot more slippery than slush. So I gotta watch my step. It's about 45 right now, 45 degrees. I'm feeling great because I'm going uphill, so I'm pretty much sweating. Whew. Certainly feeling the altitude. I haven't been up here for a while. It is beautiful. No matter how many times I hike this trail, it never gets boring. And the flowers are starting to come out. Look at that baby Christmas tree. Beautiful. Let's see what we find around this corner. Seems like the north-facing side is holding on to snow. Pretty late in the year. I'd never, ever encounter snow in June. Ever. This is a first. But then again, this was a very heavy snowfall. Winter 2019. And it was snowing pretty late into the season, which didn't help any. Let's see what we have. Hopefully nothing. Looking good so far. All right. Nice and clear. That's what I like to see. All right. There's a woodpecker. I've been kissing him for a long time. Look at that. Now that's beautiful. Lee Peak still has lots of snow. All right, up we go. All right, so this is the last lingering snow patch. Usually this is the one that much earlier in the year freaks me out because it lasts this entire stretch, and the run out is pretty bad. So all right, I'll turn it back on the other side. I have a feeling I see more snow. Needless to say, ooh, that was pucker factor 8, I'd say. Not due to anything but the run out, which, yeah, ooh, painful. That would have been painful. But I can say that my trusty micro spikes, yeah, they came through again with a lot of snow still left over. A lot. That's a lot of snow. All right, off we go. By the way, this is the highest point on the trail. I think it's close to 10,000. All right.